Hi, I'm Adam Murphy, Business Development Director for Cisco here at Global Knowledge. I'm here today to talk about the CCNP Data Center. There is also a CCNA Data Center and we have a video on that. That's the prerequisite to this certification I'm going to go through. So what's happened in the marketplace? We've seen data center become a big boom and Cisco become a major player within that area. What we've seen is that a lot of people have been training on Nexus, UCS, and what Cisco recognised is that there was that level of people doing those certifications that actually what they needed to do is have an overall career certification to be able to recognise those people. So those certifications they did before were really to become specialists in those areas around Nexus and UCS. But what this does is give an overall CCNP data center career certification which really does cover the full data center process in a Cisco world. To get there, there's two ways to get there. So your initial parts are the implementation parts, which are a DCUFI, which looks at the implementation of Nexus 5000, 7000, the 2000 Fabric Extender, and also the Nexus 3000, which is low latency, and then also the UCS, which is obviously how to implement Cisco UCS Server. Once you've taken those exams, you can then move on to the next part, which is where you decide which sort of role you're playing. So you have a design role, so maybe you're an SE, maybe you're part of the architecture design team within your company, or maybe you're someone who wants to get into either of those two roles. And you have two design courses to take. DCUFD, which looks at how to design Nexus at both core and edge level, and then also the DCUCD, which is looking at the design spec around those UCS servers sat within the core of the data center. Once you've passed all of those exams and you have that CCNA data center as your prerequisite, you'll then become a CCNP data center. The other option that you can take is you can go down a troubleshooting route. So maybe you're a field engineer, maybe you're a support guy who's working within one of the larger enterprises or mid enterprises, and what you then find is that you can then take that route to make sure that the career certification you have is relevant to your job role. To do that, you need to do a DCUCT, which is troubleshooting UCS, and also a DCUFT, which is troubleshooting Nexus. These are two new courses that came out at the point when they launched these certifications. Again, like the design track, what you'll find is once you've taken all of those exams and you have that CCNA data center, you will then become a CCNP data center. So there are two ways to go, and really you've got to choose the one which is relevant to what you're doing as a day job, or one that you actually want to go into in your future. To find out more information about these certifications and others, go to www.globalknowledge.co.uk/Cisco. There you can learn about maybe CCNP and routing and switching, voice, security, and for further information on the data center tracks. Or you can give us a call. It's 01189 123456. Thank you.